Hi, I am Shyamala Gauri, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject code CS3352. Subject name Foundations of Data Science. Unit 4 Python Libraries for Data Wrangling. The topics to be presented in these slides are aggregation in Python and computation of aggregate functions in Python. First, aggregation. An essential piece of analysis of large data set is efficient summarization. It is achieved through aggregate functions like min of, max of, sum of, mean of, median of. Here n.np.min_of finds the smallest value in the given array. np.maxof finds the largest value in the given array. np.sumof adds all the elements in the given array. np.meanof finds the mean value for entire array. np.medianof finds the median for entire array. Examples. Here the X array has been given. That is, X array consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. First we print np.min of X. This statement gives the minimum value in the given array X. That is, value is printed as 1. np.max of X. This statement gives you the output as the maximum value in the greatest value in the given array X. That is, 4 will be printed. np.sum of X. This statement will add all the elements in the given array and the output will be printed. np.mean of X. This value finds the mean value of all the elements in the X array. np.median of X. This statement performs median function for the entire array X. Next, aggregate computations on multidimensional arrays. Aggregate functions can be computed on multidimensional arrays such as two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, etc. To achieve this, access has to be specified. Access argument takes value either 0 or 1. If the axis is 0, then it runs along with columns. If the axis is 1, then it runs along with rows. Here is an example. X is equal to, it is a two-dimensional array with 2 rows and 4 columns. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have written the statement as x dot min of axis is equal to 0. The computation runs along row wise runs along column wise in the given array X. The columns 1 and 5. Here the minimum value is 1. That will be printed. Next 2, 6. Here the minimum value is 2. 2 will be printed. Next 3, 7. Here other two in this column values 3 is minimum and it will be printed. And in the column 4, 8 the minimum value is 4 and it is printed. In the next line we have written x dot max of axis is equal to 1. Here the computation runs along rows. In the first row 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the maximum value is 4 and it is printed. In the second row 5, 6, 7, 8. The maximum greatest value is 8 and it is printed. Other aggregate functions are shown in this table. np.prod of this statement compute product of elements in a given array. np.var of, that is, it computes the variance of for the given array. np.std of, this function computes standard deviation for the given array. np.argmin of, this function finds the index of the minimum value. and np.argmaxof. This function finds the index of maximum value. Next topic is broadcasting. Broadcasting is simply a set of rules for applying binary U functions on arrays of different sizes. Here, three rules has to be followed. Rule 1. If the two arrays differ in their number of dimensions, the shape of one with fewer dimensions is padded with ones on its leading side. Rule number 2. If the shape of two arrays does not match in any dimension, the array with shape equal to 1 in that dimension is stretched to match the other shape. Rule number 3. If in any dimension the sizes disagree and neither is equal to 1, an error is raised. Thank you.